just to understand how sleepy I have been. The first video I recorded today did not actually have a microphone in it. So I'm just gonna say it again. It is so early that it's still dark and I'm going to Finland to buy a Peugeot RCZ. It's 8:30 and I wanted to just capture the beautiful sunrise. That's there, maybe? Sunrise. Ta-da! I have made it. Come on, camera. I know you can do it. Good morning. I finally made it to Coparts. You can't see it, but there's the Copart sign. Behind me there's a ton of cars. So now I'm gonna get my Peugeot race car. Hopefully. Maybe. We'll see. Ah! There it is! There is my crazy, stupid tuned Peugeot. Why don't you look at it? Crack, crack. Oh boy. Alright, first impressions. Yup, lot of body damage. Gonna need to replace that entire quarter. Yeah, the door's gonna go. I don't think that the skirt can be saved. This is fortunately a tiny part. You know, the one with the red fucking skull on it. This front wheel does not seem empty or tilted or whatnot. So it should be able to even drive without issues. This rear wheel, nope, it should be clear as well. Oh, look at this stupid spoiler. Look, it's got some stupid wrap on it and everything. Oh, why'd you do that? No other body damage that I can see. Tires are full. There's some scratches there, but that might come out easily. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Look at that hood scope. Is it actually even a real hood scope? I can't see. I don't think so. Let me get my phone out. Where's my phone? Oh, thank God it is not a real one, which means they haven't cut a hole in it, which should be nice and easy to remove. And some bumper scratches here and there as well. Interior is a mess, as always. And this little squiggly butt of a rear windshield. Rear window, whatever. Just who does that? Who does that to a car? Why are you putting a goddamn bucket underneath that car? And the fact that it sticks out like half a mile behind the car, it's just stupid. Doors open. We got metal damage here, of course. So not gonna be opening that door again. Let's go get the paperwork on this gorgeous little sports car. All right, I'm back. I got the documents, so let's start seeing how much of this car actually works. Oh. God, it's a mess. Okay, first things first. I believe there's a check engine light on. Let's check that first. So there is a check engine light and something that says oil. Let's go check that outside then. Okay, basic car checks. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to get some oil, which makes me also want to look at underneath the car. And I need to figure out a way to open the lids. I'm gonna do that off camera, I presume. All right, so I'm leaving my Peugeot race car here. I'm gonna take the other car that I've got right now, go find a car shop, buy some oil. I don't know, see if I can maybe buy a basic diagnostics tool as well, just to see what the OBD codes it has, because there's no point in risking the car without any oil in it, because I'll just need to get a new engine 5 kilometers down the road. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some quick shopping first. I've come to find oils and a fuel filler thing, and maybe a diagnostics tool. So I had to buy myself like Supercar 0W30 oil and gloves and all that jazz. So back we go, I guess. So I'm back at the car with the oil, fuel, and a cheap OBD scanner. I'm gonna do the oil on the car, but I'm gonna put the camera down here. Hopefully it will see me because it's just me pouring oil. Then I'm gonna put fuel in. Then I'm gonna turn the ignition on, check the OBD, and then I'm probably just gonna see if it starts. I will take you inside the car for both the OBD and, well, when I turn it on. So, focus camera. Hello camera. Focus. Camera, please. I bought a funnel that has a filter in it, which pretty sure it's meant for fuel. So I just put a little bit of oil and it was like, yeah, true. And I'm just gonna wait until that funnel finishes cleaning itself out, then take the funnel out and then actually use, just pour straight, really. So I did the oil, and I think what it turns out is that the 0W30 is so clear, and maybe they just did an oil refill or an oil change recently. I can't even see on the measurement stick or the oil stick where the oil is, so I thought there was nothing in it. But I put in extra liters, so yeah. Anyways, bought a cheap OBD reader. I'm gonna try to see if this tells me anything about the error codes. Hopefully it gives me something. Come on. Oh no, why are you loose? OBD scanner pulls. enter, scan. Oh, actually, the car's not on or anything, so turn the power on. It is oil. It's reading. It's me again. This time I got coolant for this little monstrosity here that's currently refusing to play ball. I'm gonna call a friend mechanic of mine as well to see if he's got any ideas. Okay, he's currently in another call. So I guess in the meantime, I could try the OBD again, see if that gives me anything. It says no codes, but I believe that to be incorrect. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear it, but it's working just fine. I mean, check engine lights on, and I'm gonna try to quickly read the codes for that. But I mean, the engine's running. I gotta check the coolant. Oh, P0087 again. I think now I smell oil, which should be burning off from the top of the engine. The temperature hasn't even risen. I might eat my words, but it seems to be working just fine right now. Oh, that sounds like fuel delivery. Cool, let me rescan again, I guess. Bank 1 has more fuel than it should, or not enough air. Okay, so that will be the fuel sensor issue, potentially. Okay, so far nothing beside that again. Okay, let me just open up another tab, see if I can squeeze out another error code. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna stop this for right now and go check on the coolant and oils and whatnots, and I'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're gonna do a test drive. We'll see if that works. Parking sensor's disabled, handbrake is on. I'm just gonna basically pretty much drive to the end of the other parking lot. Gearbox fault, but we are driving. I don't know how well or whatnot. Engine fault, repair needed. Okay, lots of fucking errors there, innit? Okay, the OBD scanner is off as well, or loose. Gearbox fault. Oh, seems to be working just fine. Let's see if we can put the sensors on again. Top up coolant level. Do that as well in a minute. The lights are on for the engine oil and top up engine oil level. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna go diagnose all those again and let you know what happens. All right, I've got new codes, lots of them. So U1309, which is catalytic converter, is f***ed. Okay, so it's complaining about oxygen sensors, catalytic converters. I had errors for gearbox and stuff like that, but that still seems to be working. So I don't know yet. Now, the question is, what do I do? I mean, I go back with the other car, obviously, but do I then still head back for this car and drive it? I think I might need to drive this car and see how this is working, so I don't have a camera mount for the window or dashboard or whatever not, so I guess I'll call back when I know more. Hello. I'm in the Helsinki port, so long story short, the car made it. It was okay. It only cried about, gearbox problems, didn't properly rev up because of probably the O2 sensor and so on. Now I just need to get it on the ship, off the ship, and then I guess I'll do a video and actually get this into a workshop, get this shit cleaned out of it, rip the carbon fiber tape off that silly wing that they've etched. There's lots of cleaning to do and there's lots of work to do. But so far, I quite like the car. The bucket exhaust that they've put, it is quite annoying, even at low speeds. And I was going pretty low speeds. I think I'm gonna call it here. Whoever did watch this short video of me bungling an attempt to get a car from Finland, thank you, and I'll see you around.